Hi, do you own a Mercedes Benz W210, 202, 208, or 170? And are you looking for a YouTube video on how to replace your brake pads and brake fluid? If yes, then I have a full 25-minute video with the step-by-step instructions on exactly that. You have come to the right place. Subscribe to my channel and see the link in the video description below. I also include the Mercedes-Benz manual instructions, the different parts and tools you'll need, as well as the torque values for all the bolts. Thank you, and I hope you'll find the video useful.